The emergency calls only message on your Assurance Wireless phone means it can't connect to the regular cellular network, limiting you to 911 calls only. This usually happens because the phone fails to register on the network. Several things can cause this, including problems with your SIM card, network coverage gaps, or even issues with your Assurance Wireless account. Since Assurance Wireless is a Lifeline-supported service, ensuring network registration is key. Let's look at the most common reasons, starting with SIM card issues. SIM cards store unique identifiers for network registration. Network coverage gaps can also cause this error. Check coverage in your area using carrier maps. Assurance Wireless relies on MVNO structures, so consider potential upstream carrier outages. Let's go over the most common reasons and how to troubleshoot them quickly. The emergency calls only is a safety feature, allowing 911 access even without full service. First, restart your phone and toggle airplane mode on and off. This can sometimes re-establish a connection. Next, check your SIM card. Power off your phone, remove the SIM, clean the gold contacts gently, and reinsert it securely. Clean the gold contacts on the SIM gently to remove any tarnish or debris. If that doesn't work, your SIM might be faulty. Assurance Wireless offers free SIM replacements. You can also try an eSIM if your phone supports it. This often resolves issues related to physical SIM wear and tear, accounting for up to 40% of cases. Ensure your device is compatible with the carrier's frequency bands, such as LTE bands 1213 for Verizon affiliates. Finally, update your phone's PRL if possible, or contact Assurance Wireless customer support for further assistance. Start with basics before advanced steps like manual PRL updates.